Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video we will talk about the Mubi error code 9301-0. As per the users, when they try to load anything to watch, it loads for some time and shows this error. The error reads, "Sorry, something isn't right, Mubi support has been notified." This error typically pops up when Mubi servers are struggling to keep up, or when there are issues with your personal setup, be it your browser, device, or network. So what can you do about it? First and foremost, try closing your browser entirely, then relaunch it. If there's a pending update for your browser, go ahead and install it. Once done, check if the error has disappeared. If it persists, try disabling all your browser extensions, as these could be interfering with Mubi's streaming service. Despite trying all these steps, is the error code still haunting your screen? Don't worry, it's time to switch gears and try a different browser. This will help identify if the issue is browser-specific or if there's a larger problem at hand. If you've switched browsers and the issue remains unsolved, it's likely a server-side issue from Mubi. In this case, give it a few hours. Server issues usually resolve themselves with time. Meanwhile, why not try using Mubi on a different device? Sometimes these server hiccups are platform-specific, and Mubi might work just fine on another device. To sum it all up, Mubi error code 9301-0 could be due to a variety of factors. Start by refreshing your browser, updating it, and disabling extensions. If that doesn't work, try a different browser or device, and if all else fails, be patient. Server issues usually resolve themselves after a while. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.